Kim, saan po tayo ngayon? Pagkatapos itong...
dito po tayo sa Coron, Palawan, kakakalidaw lang natin at mag-aantay tayo ng luggage.
So, we made it here in Busuanga. We're just gonna be waiting for our tour... Ano yan? Tourist van, whatever tourist van it is. Asa ba yung papel natin? Busuanga Island, Coron, Palawan. Lahat na kami ng aming van. Okay, so we're gonna take the van going to the Sun Valley Resort. This is where we're gonna be sitting. This is the van for us. So yes, we're inside the van. Going to the Sun Valley Tourist.
Saan sila, Ate Dory?
Ano sila? Puerto Princesa sila.
Ah?
Puerto Princesa.
Puerto Princesa.
Opo, kasi nakasaan ang pagkakas.
Reservation for Emma Navarro.
Okay, so we're going up to the room. Oh my god. Who told us? This is the room. We're going up. For the Sun Valley. Wala talaga elevator. Akyat, 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 akyat. We're going up here. Diyos ko, Lord. Wala pala. Mga senior kasama. Wala pala siyang elevator. Ang hirap ng pababa-taas. Oh my goodness. Sa legs, ha? It's not bad. It's a very top. Oh my god. And up the road na ba? Finally. Diyos ko ba? Baka ba makaakyat? Luwanay mga dila namin dito. Oh, look at this view. Oh, sige.
Wala daw kami nabot sa second floor. Yung sa 103 kasi may mga silver daw silang kasama.
Thank you. Oh my God. Bago ka pa nga makakit dito, Diyos ko, hiluwanay yung mata. Dila mo.
Sabi ko, baka sa second floor meron.
Kaya nga nagtanong ako kung may available. Pero yung... Parang maganda yung view dito kasi nakita ko eh.
Oh, yeah.
Ang ganda ng view, ayan o, yung tubig. Yan ang maganda rito kaso.
Ay, yes po.
Ayun. Nadulas eh.
Sa second floor, linisin at i-recash lang po namin.
Pero the second floor na nilipat pa tayo? Meron. Same thing. Yeah.
Please.
Ang walang view doon.
Ay.
Wag na lang. Never.
Dito na lang. May view dito.
Sila na lang ang senior. Namin na lang ang baba. Yeah. Thank you.
Dito kasi maganda ang view. Ayan, bebe oh. Bebe. Ang ganda kasi ng view, tinan mo oh. Ang ganda ng view. Dito kasi, Tito Mars, ang ganda ng view dito oh. Wow. Kita-kita mo yung ano talaga.
Oo nga.
Kahit mataas siya. Ayan ang view oh, yung tubig. Diyos ko. Kung sa baba, makikita mo na doon mga halaman.
Tsaka hindi. Wala daw view. Doon sa
Yeah, so okay na. Okay na maganda yung tour pag gabi, oh. Mas maganda yung view dito naman, mahangin. May hangin pa.
Yeah. Not bad. Naka-check na kayo sa Jollibee. Diba? Kanina lang yun.
This is the living room. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. See, malaki yung bathroom niya, oh. Malaki yung bathroom niya. Oh. May bidet, may ano. Diba? May wifi. Oh, nagutom kami. So we're just gonna have Jollibee here first. Dito muna kami sa Jollibee.
Sabi ko siya, doon natin dat. Doon natin kayo binausap.
So we're walking. Oh, it's like a salt and pepper shrimp. Ayun ang Jollibee. Walking distance going to Jollibee.
Yo guys, andito ngayon tayo kung saan nakikita nyo kung nasan kami.
Yeah. So, pag may time kami, mag-rent kami ng
Motor.
Motor.
At ibubunggo ko siya. Ibabangga ko to.
basta ba ikaw magbabayad eh, wala nang problema. Bungguin mo ako. Ibunggo mo ako, basta ikaw magbabayad. Wala ang problema. Diba? Walking here in Coron Town. This is the Coron Town. Ang tawag ni Tombax. Guwapa ni Tombax, ha? We are here today. We are here today. We are here. And now, we are here sa bagong Jollibee ng Coron. Hanggang Coron ba naman? Jollibee pa rin? Diyos ko Lord.
Balik tayo ng isang chicken. Spicy na papunta sa akin.
Sige lang po.
Kukuha ko ng isa, ha? Balik tayo. Isang chicken. Sa'yo naman.
So, we just got picked up sa hotel. Now we're taking a land tour. So, yes, I don't know if we're picking up anybody else, but yes, we're on the way for the land tour.
So ang ibig sabihin po yun is magandang hapon sa inyong lahat at tuloy po kayo sa aming bayan. So by the way po, Mark my name because my name is Mark, but you can also call me Anthony for short. So like teaching, rent magnet, teacher, decoration, wall or something. Course, marami po souvenir doon. And if you're also looking for an accessories na gawa sa pearl, so marami po silang accessories na rings, bracelets, and meron pa po iba. So, by the way, since this is your first time po dito sa Coron, so I would like to share with you some brief story bakit tinawag nila yung Coron as Coron. So originally the name Coron is from a Bisaya word kulon or korong. So it was given by Don Nicolas Imanlabe, isa po siyang native po yun nun, and isa po siyang traveler that time. So according to him, yung formation po ng mga limestone o yung mga maliliit na isla doon sa Coron Island is nagpo-form na parang palayok. Yung bottom niya kasi para siyang itis palayok. That's why he gave the name Coron po sa Coron Island. And don't be confused po kasi yung Coron Island is different from Coron Town. So when we say Coron Island po, it's referring to an island. But when we say Coron Town, it's referring po dito sa land na to. But this land is still a part of Busuanga Island. And so mapansin niyo po yung airport po namin is Busuanga Airport po, hindi Coron Airport. It's still symbolized na yung lupa na to is still a part of Busuanga Island. But during time po yung before po ng 1901 ay 1902, yung 1902 pa pala. So yung buong Busuanga po is sakop po siya ng Coron. By the virtue of Act number 422 na during pang American time. So nahiwalay lang po yung Busuanga, Municipality of Busuanga noong 1950. So pinirmahan ni dating Pangulong Elpidio Quirino. So pinirmahan niya para daw ma-manage ng Busuanga yung sarili nilang resources.
Kung may magpapadala sa amin dito ng bagay.
Meron pa lang.
So, this is the first stop here. Coron Souvenir. Coron Souvenir. We have the Coron Souvenir. Coron Souvenir muna tayo.
T-shirt, left side.
This is where Vice Ganda.
Oo, dito siya bumili. Oo. Dito siya bumili ng mga aray ko. Ito yung Coron. Ito yung nasa vlog niya na nagpunta siya rito. Coron. Oo, ito yung pinapanood natin vlog ni Vice. Dito siya bumili ng ganito. Santa. Like, paano siya kilapitit. Kilapitit. Yung kilapitit. Ayan, ito. This is the shop. Nice, ganda naman ito. What's up with that? Papala. What's that?
The bag na.
Okay. Are you gonna get one? Just get one.
Magkano yung ganun bang?
Ano mingi namin? Pang-island. Oh my God.
Hindi na po.
Cute. Tama naman mga
Check natin yung bata.
Here we go again. Regalo kay Jeffrey. Tawa. Regalo kay Jeffrey. Be, regalo ko sa'yo.
Sarap na naman.
Sarap.
Sa bagay.
I know.
Ito. 95.
Diba? So, how do you find this souvenir shop, sir? Do you like it much or what? Did you find something that you were looking for? Or are you still looking around? Have you found somebody? I mean, somebody. Have you found something that you want to buy? You want to buy? What? Have you found something that you want to buy here or what? Oh, we need to buy like ano. Oh, I like this one. Hindi yun ang gusto kong magnet eh. May gusto kong magnet. Pang Coron talaga. Oh, here, something like this. Kanta. Mga ganyan ah.
Andun naman.
Yan ang mga gusto ko. Yung mga ganyan ang gusto
Google ka lang.
Coron.
Ha?
Yeah. Can you look for something better?
35 weeks. 3 for 100.
3 for 100 yung kukunin mo.
Ha?
The 3 for 100.
Oh, yeah.
I need something nakalagay Coron, Palawan, at Chuchu.
Ito, ano yung Coron?
Ito mo Coron. No, not that one. Not that one. So I end up getting this. this one. I end up getting that one, okay? We're here still in the shop, waiting for the other people to finish their shopping. For now, we're done. I couldn't find anything that's interesting. So, yeah. Maybe sa island na lang ako makakita na kailangan ko. Okay, so we are leaving this place. We're moving on to our next destination.
Sa Luwalhati Park. So yung pangalang Luwalhati po is binigay ng magkapatid na Reyes. Yung current mayor po namin ngayon, si Martin T. Reyes, and yung kanyang kuya na si Palawan ex-governor Joel T. Reyes. So binigay nila yung pangalang Luwalhati sa park na yan para maalala yung pagkamatay ng kanilang nanay. Pinangalan nila sa nanay nila kasi yung nanay nila si Mrs. Luwalhati Reyes. Namatay siya during the construction of that park. So yung Luwalhati Park po is also attracting area ng mga tourist boats. So kung meron po kayong island tour bukas dyan, din po kayo tatapos sa Luwalhati Park. And yung Luwalhati Park po pala way back 2007, that area is totally seawater. So nag-reclaim lang po siya ng government. May two phase ng reclamation po, yung phase 1 from the Luwalhati Park up to the wet market. Then yung phase 2 phase na nakikita natin sa kanyang right side. So nag-start lang yun noong 2017. And then suddenly it was stopped by the national government kasi yung mga tao po dito is nag-oppose sa reclamation. And then we also find out na yung may questionable yung papers na ginamit. They said that ECC daw po is fine. Reclamation doon. Mostly ng activity po sa Luwalhati Park is picture taking and sightseeing. At kung gusto nyo maglakad-lakad sa dagat, that is a perfect place to go. So from the Luwalhati Park, makikita natin yung Coron Island.
Ay, tayo Coron Island na
Island tours. Ayun talaga yun po. Malapit lang po yan po dito. Mga 1 minute or 2 minutes lang po.
Madaming tapo rito.
So yung reclamation po talaga is nag-start po yan sa part na to. So ilo pong area na to is tinatawag na fountain. Fountain na walang tubig. Yung lang pa nagkakatubig sa kapasagod. So ito po yung old market. And then nilipat nila yung market doon sa this one, sa Narikay po.
Tapos din kailan mo.
Old market dito.
Pero po siguro ang phase 1 na nakagat. Pumatagal na.
So kung nakikita niyo yung mahabang isla na yan, so yan po talaga yung Coron Island.
Nice! Ganda.
Parang kawal.
Kaya magpipicture po tayo sa Ayang Coron. Papakita ko
Yay!
sa
I like that. I am Coron. So we're here at the Coron Island. Look at behind you. That's the island of the Coron. That's the island behind you. Tapos din ang show. Look at this beautiful island of the Coron. This is what you call Luwalhati Park.
Yeah, so mula po dito, matatanaw natin yan yung isla ng Coron Island. Ayan, Coron. Yan. So actually yan po ay sleeping giant. So pag tinignan nyo yung ulo niya nandun.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Ilaw
sinabi
niya,
nga sa...
bumangal, baba niya, leeg,
Yeah.
katawan. So
Mm.
lalaki po yan.
lalaki?
Yan kasi may nakatayo sa baba.
Nasaan? Paano mo palalaman ko lalaki? Ah!
Yan,
Naka-
so,
ano pa
bibili
siya?
po yung
Nakababa pa
pangalan
siya.
na yung sleeping giant na yan is si Prince Maracol. So isa po
Prince
siyang legendary heroes ng mga Tagbanwa o yung Katutubo dito sa Palawan. So Actually, that is also what we call a hundreds island. Yes, kasi po in every destination there's a 100 entrance fee. Joke lang po.
Wow! Really ba?
Yeah, so dyan nyo po makikita yung mga tourist destination sa Coron Island tour like Kayangan Lake, Lagput, Barracuda Lake, and
nandyan na.
mga snorkeling destination. Yan po yan sa part. So, dito, dyan po sa Coron Island is meron pong lakes. And dalawa lang din sa public, yung Kayangan and yung Barracuda Lake. So, yung pangalang Kayangan po is galing yan sa salita ng mga takpan na tinagbanuas na ibig sabihin po ng Kayangan ay entrance. So, siya yung pinakauna sa iba pang lakes. So, yung Coron Island po is a private property ng mga native o Tagbanwa. So, inaward yan sa kanila as ancestral domain. So, lahat ng mga destination dyan is sila yung nagmamanage. Lahat ng mga entrances sa kanila rin napupunta yan. Yan, so okay po, let's go po. Dito pa tayo. So by the way, kung makikita nyo may bundok sa taas, yung may cross and yung Hollywood inspired coron na yan. So yan po yung Mount Tapias. So akyatin natin yan mamaya.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Yan yung Mount Tapias. Look at the Mount Tapias up there. That's where we're gonna go up. Oh my goodness. Taas na yun, oh, Mount Tapias. 720 steps to go up. Okay, now we're walking over here.
For today's video guys, ay tutur namin kayo kung saan makikita ang mga tubig.
Mami, picture mo pa ako doon pag wala masyadong tao.
Sige.
Mag-tiktok pa ako. Woo! Salmon Island. Love Island hopping. So good. Careful! Hopping. Island. Ah, ganda mo pa picture dito. Yan. Yan. Ganda dito mo pa picture. Beautiful Coron. Beautiful Coron. See that 360. Oh my goodness, I hate it, but it's so beautiful. Look at that Coron, guys. The Coron Island behind me. So, what do you say about this island so far, Arthur?
Very nice, 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah. Where have you been so far? Can you please show me around?
Nakita niyan.
Yes.
Parang
Ano
burat
tawag?
Pag tumayo. Parang burat. Makikita mo.
One of the oldest church dito sa Northern Palawan. So yung pinakamatandang church po is makikita natin sa ibang munisipyo sa
Bye-bye. We'll see you tomorrow.
It's around 40 to 2 hours to travel. So, yung St. Agustin Parish Church pa na-establish po ito noong 1901. So, originally it was built from light materials but ngayon po is fully renovated na siya. So, hindi natin siya ma-recognize as old church kasi fully concrete na church. And then, in-expand na rin nila yung both side of the church. That's why mukha na po siyang malaki and mukha na siyang bago. So, the travel time po mula dito is around 3 to 7 minutes and depends if there is a traffic congestion. So, by the way po pala, another information po. So, yung munisipyo po ng Coron is mayroon po siyang consist of siya ng 23 barangays. And some of the barangays is located sa mga isla. So, like diyan sa unahan, ayan, sa unahan, one of the island yan. And then doon sa Coron Island, may dalawang barangay. And lastly, yung malayo dito is around 2 hours to 5 minutes. So, mostly ng mga tao po dito is ang nakatira dito, yung primary livelihood is tourism related right now. And tourism and fishing. So, mas malaki po yung percentage ng tourism. manganese dito, kung ma-observe nyo yung lupa dito is kulay pula, mga pula. So, it symbolizes that yung lupa ng Coron is mayaman sa manganese. And then nung nag-start po yung World War, sinisip mo ng mga Japanese forces yung mga lands ng mga miner. And after ng World War, nabando na siya, hindi na siya inoperate kasi mostly ng mga tanning is nagpo-collapse, so may namamatay po sa loob. Kaya hindi na siya inoperate, and it was prohibited na rin siya ng former governor na bawal na yung magpagmina rin sa Coron. But mayroon pa rin naman nagmimina sa Palawan, like sa Brooks Point, mayroon pa rin. And so yung population po ng Coron is meron pong 70,000 to 80,000 people na nakatira po dito. So sa Coron Island po, as what I said, yung Coron Island is a private property. So mostly na nakatira doon is mga individual, yung mga tagbanwa. So there are about 500 to 600 families na mga native na nakatira po sa Coron Island. So mostly ng mga source of income nila is yung sa mga entrance mo sa tourism and fishing pa rin. Marami pa rin po nag-fishing kanila.
Saying that this is the parish church. This is the church of the Lord.
Yeah, so I hope you're ready kasi yung next destination po natin ay Mount Tapias. So yun yung nakakapagod sa
Mount Tapias, ito na yung pinakamataas floor.
Ilang steps?
720.
720.
720 steps pa yan.
Galing mismo sa bundok.
Oh my
Kasi may
goodness.
part po siya na natapias.
Nanonood ng vlog.
Yan, so according to the story ng mga elders, so yung Mount Tapias daw po,
Ilang hours na yan?
is one of the strategic position ng mga Japanese forces. Kasi pag nasa taas kayo, makikita nyo yung 360 view ng Coron Town. Then makikita nyo kasi yung papasok from the east and south of Coron. That's why siya, very strategic niya. Nag-serve siya as a tower. So kung dumating po yung American Air Force, yung mag-base sila dito, so binomba nila yung Mount Tapias. Tinamaan po siya ng Mount Tapias. Tinamaan po siya ng Puma. That's why so yung Mount Tapias po is consists of 724 stairs pataas and another 724 stairs pababa. So wala po siyang shortcut. So wala kayong escalator or zipline. Wala po yan dito. So mano-mano talaga. Ito po rin naman po, yung pag-trek naman sa Mount Tapias is hindi sa Pilipinas. So hindi na pag-trek with
So, mag-decide ka na, ngayon ko lang.
Pwede na tayo eh, might as well.
Ang-trek, so wala
Yes.
problema.
Laban na.
Sa benches doon, kasi may mga
Laban
benches
na
naman
din
po
kami.
yung tawid sa gawin ko yung mga
So we're going up the Mount Tapias, starting from this point over here. Oh my goodness. Parang dito pa lang yata pagod na tayo. Dito pa lang.
Nakapiyahin mo yan.
Mount Tapias. Okay, so yes, this is the struggle. It's starting again. I mean now.
Bibilangin pag nakalimutan nyo kasi babalik kayo sa una.
Naka 100 na agad tayo, ang bilis. Oh my goodness. We're going up, we're going up, we're going up. Okay lang yan. Nasa hirap ang una, nasa huli ang sarap.
Nakita na po kayo ng dugo.
Hindi pa po. Ito.
May mga tour kasi dito na dugong watching.
Madalas ba talaga?
Ang dugong lang meron dito sa Lakadakat.
Ayun lang. The project is dedicated to serve up those
Ay,
faithful.
hindi talaga siya 100%. Opo. May time talaga na pag sobrang lakas, malabo yung tubig.
Wala sila. Oo.
Sino
Hindi
nagpapakita?
siya talaga temporarily dun sa area. Kaya hindi rin talaga siya nasabi na ano.
Oo, trampahan.
Go.
Dandan lang po.
Kaya yan.
Ano ba yun ako?
And sila sa likod.
Mamaya ayawan na.
Ayaw agad. Ayaw agad. Oh my goodness.
Ayaw na kaagad.
It's beautiful. View. Ganda oh. Ganda ng view ng island. Ganda ng island. Oh. The island over there. Okay. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up. Way, way up. Way, way up. Here you go, you can see the island up here. That's where we're gonna be going for. That island. We're gonna conquer that island tomorrow. See that island. Legit, we made it to 100 steps already. Wow. That's not achievement. 5 minutes. 5 minutes for 100 steps for 5 minutes. That was good.
Kaya ba ma'am?
So, laging meron tayong pa-trivia sa mga questions, di ba? Like sinasabi ko yung mga kung anong tanong.
Tunaw na tunaw.
Wala na, tunaw yung kinain.
Galing na sila.
No, it's a lie.
We need that motivation to use it. We're not there yet. We're not even almost there. We're not even halfway. Goodness. We made it to 200 steps. Ta-da! We still have 550 steps to go. That's where we're gonna be going up there. That's the mountain. Oh my goodness, we are in a 300 steps. 300 steps. Still have 400 steps to go. Oh my goodness, we made it to 400 steps. Good job. I like it. 400 steps. Ang taas sila. Nice, look at the Quran. There's a view. Nice. The Quran Island. Okay, we are on 600 steps and it took us about half an hour, I think. Was it 30 minutes?
Yun na lang siya.
Yeah, doon lang daw siya. Hindi niya na kaya. Baka di na siya makababa pa. I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again. Almost there. Almost there. Ayan na. Ayan na. I can see the Quran. And Quran behind me over here. See the big island of the Quran. Oh, this is the big island of Quran. So beautiful. Okay. We made it. We made it to the top. I can see the Quran. Quran, what over here? Oh, look at that. So nice. Oh my goodness. Look at the Quran. Look at that.
Picture natin yung
And we made it to the top, mga ka-BJ. Yan ang Quran. Quran World. And behind me is the island. Look at that beautiful island of Quran. See that? Behind me. To the 700 steps. Yeah! What an achievement! 720 steps. See? Told you guys. It's a 720 steps. Yay! We made it to the top. Yay! So nice. Look at that. Says Mount Tapias. This is the Mount Tapias view deck. Oh my goodness.
So, bye nga muna kayo mga
Beauty of Quran. So nice. Beautiful up here. Beautiful up there. Look at that view. Nice, ganda. Thank you, God. Thank you, Lord, for making it all the way to the top. My goodness. Ganda. Ganda dito sa taas. See, this is the Mount Tapias. Up there. Up there. Yay. And then over here. The island of Quran. Diba? What a view. What a view of this island. Hangin. Hangin dito sa taas. I think after this one we're going to that hot spring. Pagkatapos namin dito sa taas na to. So nice. Ay, hindi pa sila tapos. Okay, we're moving on to our next destination. I think we're leaving this place now. But thank you for the beautiful view here in Mount Tapias. Okay, we're going here.
Ay, wait lang. Wala yung video natin na. Ang ganda ng vitas. Dapat naghihinala tayo. Sige na. Wait. Gawin na ang
Hi! Here on the other side of this mountain, I can still see the Coron Island up there. Ganda, oh. Beautiful view. Nice. Ganda. Sunset. It's a beautiful view. Nice. Oh, you can still see the island over there.
Na-awkward na siya.
Ganda. Ganda ng island. Oh, nice. Yes, we made it here. Si Ate Emma din yan na nakayanan. Si Tito Mars nakayanan niya yung 720 steps. She made it. She made it. Such a big achievement for her. My goodness, look at that view. Over there. So beautiful. So beautiful. Ganda na yung view. Oh my God. 360. Ganda. See that view up there. So everyone is chilling here for the sunset view. Everyone's just chilling here. See? Ganda. Ganda na sunset. Now we're going down.
We're going down. Uy, mag-swimming na tayo.
Yay! The good part. Papunta na tayo sa exciting part.
Wala pa, sir.
Wala pa ba? Wala pa pala. Kala ko exciting part na pa tayo.
Ha? Ay, oo.
Oh, cashew.
Nakay pa tayo ng free taste.
Oh, may free taste. Yan. May free taste si Mayor. May free taste.
Kailangan ko ng refund joke.
Everyone is here, see? Dami ng tao. Dami ng tao. Everyone is just here chilling. Now we're gonna go down.
Kita niyo, sir?
We're going down.
Sundin natin, halika.
We are going down. We are going down. This is the best part. Best part is going down. Dami ng tao. That's
Wala lang. Ay, makikipot.
everyone's going down now. Everyone is going down.
Pero di mo alam mo daan.
Come on!
Okay, we're still halfway. Not even halfway, but I think we just did 200 steps for now. Pababa. Oh my goodness. I can see the Quran. Beauty of Quran. And we made it down here after doing 720 steps down from Mount Tapias. Now we are down here by the parking lot.
Yes, so okay po, ang next destination po natin ay sa cashew shop. So gusto
Flat
nyo
po
tikman
yun.
yung kanilang mga...
Flat.
Bakit pa ba?
Tinatanong na.
So kung gusto nyo tikman yung kanilang mga kasoy, marami pa sila mga flavor. Kaya itong tubo. Tulad, mas ano yung magiging dito sa kasoy. Mas gusto ng mga kasoy. So especially along the way to Makinig kasi marami po dito sa mga area ng sa mga isla. So yung mga buto po ng kasoy is binibili yan ng mga farmers.
Ingat lang pala kasi.
So we're here sa cashew dito.
Ang gagawin niya nila pagka-dry na nito, ilalagay nila yung buto dito sa gitna. So it's very sharp po kaya nitong pumutol ng daliri. So pagka biyak niyan, so again po it is very corrosive yung liquid na yan. So after nila makrack yan, gagamit sila nito para tanggalin yung buto. Ay yung nuts. So pag ito hindi pa siya totally talaga pwedeng kainin. Kasi bibilad pa nila para matanggal po ito. Masakit sa lalamunan kapag ano. Pero pag natatanggal na siya, pwede na nilang itago yun. So yan po yung process niya. So medyo matagal po yun, mga 1 week yan lang. So may mga pre-days po ito po.
Oh, look at that. Almond. Oh, mura naman ito, 100 pesos.
Opo, pre-days po yun.
I love cashew nuts.
Ito po. Huwag po kayo mahiya.
Ano yung nasa kuya?
Gabi na rin mo. Ito may mga roasted po.
6 pieces for 500. Parmesan.
Wait, takip mo naman.
Ito yung spice.
Garlic. Wait, takip mo naman.
Fried garlic spice.
Tinatag.
3 things.
Garlic. Fried garlic.
Oo, masarap yung fried garlic. Patikim din ng fried garlic.
Ate, yung fried. Wait lang po.
Fried garlic, masarap.
Kasi sisigaw siya, mamawala yung cancer niya.
Fried garlic.
Parang ito na lang, fried garlic.
Parang gusto ko ng fried
Ma'am,
garlic.
ito po yung fried garlic, ma'am.
Masarap yung fried garlic. Ay, so I got this fried cassette and then fried garlic cashew.
Sa salita ng mga katulong, temperature po ng Makinig Hot Spring is nag-range from 38 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius. So, medyo mainit po siya, but yung temperature ng hot spring o yung init na nanggagaling sa hot spring is hindi po galing sa vulkan. So kasi wala pong vulkan dito sa Coron and wala pong fault line sa Palawan. May mga various reason po kung bakit may hot spring dito kahit wala pong vulkan. Yung primary reason po is because of geothermal heat. So yung init na nanggagaling mismo sa lupa, sa ilalim ng lupa. So by the help of some factors like yung ano po, may napakalalim also a unique hot spring because it is the only one saltwater hot spring in the Philippines. Yes po, it is saltwater. So by the way po pala, wala pong fresh water pang banlaw doon. So kung gusto niyo magpabad ng yung katawan at gusto niyo magbanlaw, so we advise you na magbanlaw na lang kayo doon sa inyo. Although mayroon po silang misting area, so that is also brackish. Tabaan na po siya. So they only using that para pang cool down ng body temperature. So wala naman pong may high blood dito, no? Wala naman. So that's good to hear. So kung may mga health condition po kayo at gusto niyo magpabad ng buong katawan niyo sa hot spring, so we advise na magpabad lang kayo ng mga around 5 minutes. And after noon, ahon po muna magpahinga ng mga 25 minutes and then go back to the water again. So pero kung wala naman kayong health condition, so magpabad po kayo ng around mga 10 to 15 minutes. After noon, ahon po muna pahinga ng mga 25 minutes and go back to the water again. So repeat that cycle. Because if you stay too much for hot spring, it might dehydrate you and pwede po kayo ma-stroke. So the reason kung bakit tinatanong kung may health condition kayo is because it can affect your health condition. Stay kayo na matagal sa hot spring.
Hot spring. Natural hot spring. The right place.
Comfort cam natin.
Got it. Thank you. Looking at hot spring. My goodness. Sa YouTube ko lang ito napapanood before. Now I can actually see it from here. So, we're here sa hot spring. Diba? Ipakabad si Lola. O, diba? Charot. Ito na, patang kami sa hot spring. This is the Makinit Hot Spring. See that? Do you see that? Do you see what I'm looking at right now? Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful Makinit. Oh, nice hot spring. Hot spring, look at that.
Oh, yun. Yun na talaga.
Oh, dito kayo. Oh my god, I can feel the heat. Mainit. Mainit siya. Mainit yung hot spring.
Masarap po, masarap.
Ganun ba? Doon tayo yun.
Manginangin mo rin.
We're gonna go this way. This is where we're gonna put our stuff. Okay, so, this is where we're gonna keep our belongings because we're gonna dip in the water. We're gonna dip in the water. Oh my goodness, Masha! Oh! Ow! Wag init! Para kang umiinom ng kape. Oh my goodness! Ang init ng water. Oh goodness.
Ang tanggal sa
Oh my goodness.
tanggal sa pasma.
Ah, sarap. Look at this. Laban naman yung akin ng pocket. Yan, may laman. Sarap.
Saan na lang siya.
Water. So ayan, andito po kami sa may upuan. Nagpapahinga muna. Pero maya maya magdidip na rin kami. Let's see. Ah! Oh my God! Init! Masyado mainit. Masyado siyang mainit. But, it's good. It's good. That's where we are. What's in that? Hey guys, we made it here sa Makinit Hot Spring here in Coron, Palawan. This is so refreshing.
Mainit nga.
Mainit yung tubig pero salty din. Pero okay naman siya. Doable. Doable. Time check, 6:40 in the evening. Picture naman. So yan, dala ko ko. Hindi ko nadala yung tripod ko, kaya hayaan mo na. Oh, hot spring. We're here sa hot spring. I think we have just 1 hour here, and then after that, aaw na kami. Then we're going home. Get ready for tomorrow's island tour. So, ayan. Siya, kanina pa siya dyan. Ayaw niyang bumaba. Ayaw pa niyang bumaba kanina pa.
Paano nababalian ako eh.
Hindi niya kaya yung init.
Sibok.
Hindi niya kaya yung init. Hindi niya kaya yung init. Let's go.
Lulub-lub lang ako.
Ang dami ng tao. Samak yun. So we just left the hot spring. I think we just dipped for like maybe 40 minutes. It's not bad. Kasi I need time to get dried up sa ang aking short. Wala akong pamalit. Kaya maghihintay ako dito ng mga about 10 minutes para magdala yung aking short. Then after that, we're gonna go home now. That's it for my today's vlog. I will show you guys. I will see you guys on the next vlog tomorrow. Bye.